I like my table.
Yeah?
Since I didn't have that one, this one's been working great so far, to at least work. Good boy. broken, right?
Not at all.
Good. I was afraid those tiles would fall off the side or whatever.
Is community a HOA?
No.
No.
Why?
Well, I figured. Is most everybody out here like the same age? It's like, or does it vary? There's a lot of families out here too.
Yeah, I've seen some kids, like the people next door to me are retired, and maybe a little older than me, and it kind of varies. I mean, I've seen some kids. Like the people right behind here on 4th of July, they're drinking and doing fireworks till friggin' midnight and having a blast, so they sound like they're in their 20s.
Oh yeah. So it's a good mix.
I was like, are you gonna stop anytime it's midnight? My dog's going nuts.
Nah, I was thinking about just making some flyers and like dropping them off at the office or by the mailbox or something.
I'm trying to think of her name at the office. Her name is Letty, I think.
Letty?
Letty. Yeah, Letty. Pretty sure.
Oh yeah, yeah. I just go talk to her. Damn, am I missing a screw, bro?
I hope not.
Me too. I mean, if I am, I actually might have an extra one in the car from another
Well, that's
assembly.
weird that they didn't send it though.
But normally they send extras.
Right.
That's the weird thing, that there's no extras. And if you're not gonna send extras, at least send the right amount.
Yeah, I know there was an extra one from this table that you left here, but it's probably not the same size as what you're needing.
You know what? Talking all this trash and it was right here.
Yeah, I looked it up. Her name's Letty.
Okay. Actually, I could just go tell her to refer me. Tell her I'll give her some money if she does. Oh yeah, for you too. I mean, if you got any friends or family that are moving and they need something put together or something mounted, and you refer me, I'll give you like a $25 or $50 gift card to your favorite restaurant or something.
That's cool. I'm gonna keep your number because I need people to help me with stuff like that.
Yeah. I'd rather be making my own schedule than depending on somebody to make it for me, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
So if I gotta pay a little bit for it, I'm cool with that too.
I mean, are you affiliated with Wayfair at all? They just sub the work out?
No, they just subcontract. I mean, I was able to apply with them because I'm a business owner in San Antonio and surrounding areas, so that kind of helped. But yeah, really, just about anybody can get access to their job board.
Oh, okay.
And then you can pick up the jobs, you know, around your schedule. If you got a full-time job and you just want to pick up a couple a week, you can. Or, I mean,
oh, that's cool.
If you got the time to do a couple of them a day consistently, it makes a huge difference financially.
Oh yeah. Well, like the work you're doing right now, I didn't pay Wayfair to have it put together. You offered it. So you're not having. You're probably making more money on this because I'm paying you directly, right?
Right. And so I'm pretty sure whenever I do a job with Wayfair, I mean, what I really like about them is they put me in really high-end neighborhoods a lot of times.
Oh, okay.
So, you know, I end up having good conversations with people, learning stuff that I wouldn't know any other time.
Yeah.
Man, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, about the payment. I'm pretty sure I get less than 50% of the charge.
That's what I was thinking. So today you're not having to pay anybody a cut. I mean.
So what I do is I just charge less than what they would charge to save you some money, but I still get paid more because, you know.
I paid them $93 to put this table together.
Right, and I think they paid me like 45, yeah, something like that.
They wanted, you know how much they wanted to put these chairs together? $239. I said, kiss my ass off. I
Well,
sit on the damn couch before I paid for that.
Thank you for telling me, because now that I know that, I might just raise my prices for everybody else, not for you.
I mean, yeah, like, don't charge me more. But I mean, look how long it took you to put those together. What, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
I mean, they were easy, right?
Yeah, no, but most of the time it's not this easy. But every once in a while, I do get lucky.
Well, this one was kind of tedious. This table, but I mean.
Yeah, but no, that's.
Did you find the screw?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay, good.
That was simple compared to some of the stuff I end up dealing with. Like bedroom vanities are terrible.
I mean, I knew when I looked at the instructions, I thought I could put that together 20 years ago, but now I couldn't. It sucks getting old, but if I'd have got down on the floor and working, I couldn't get up. Yeah, but like today, whatever I paid is all yours. You don't have to pay anybody.
Yep. And actually, all of my jobs today are from me, not from Wayfair. So.
Oh, that's good. How does this thing work?
Somehow it's still always running late though. But. Win some, you lose some.
Maybe if I sit on it, it'll work.
Yeah, you definitely gotta sit on it because those are.
Yeah, I knew they moved up and down.
They're hydraulic, so
yeah,
it needs the weight to function.
I like my table and you did a great job on it, but it's Wayfair's fault, not yours. This thing's
Too low?
It's cheap. I mean, it's just, I got a July 4th, like this half price. That table's $400 and I paid $198 for it. You're putting it together, you saw this stuff's just cheap. It's not even real wood, it's just cheap crap. But I didn't pay $400 for it, I just sent it back.
You should. It's early enough, send it back.
I mean,
Send it back and get something better.
It's already in here. I probably won't. I mean, if I paid $400 for it, I would. But $200 is even a lot. I mean, it's you can tell when you're putting it together. It's just.
Or if nothing
cheap,
else,
cheap
they'll give
shit.
you a. They will give you a. Like not a discount, but like, you know, when you send something back, they give you a credit. They give you a credit. You know what I'm saying? For whenever you find something that you like.
Yeah, because Wayfair's pretty good. And I got
No,
my
they are
last
good
table.
about that.
I got my last table from them, and it lasted me like forever. And I liked it.
You want any of this stuff?
You can leave it or whatever. Just.
I was gonna throw it away for you, but this is all trash. You might need that.
I'll keep this just in case.
And here's a couple extra screws for under the chairs.
Okay.
There's only 2 of them.
And you found the one for this one, so I don't have to worry. They're
Yeah, no,
they're all in there.
everything's for the table.
I didn't want it to start wobbling. I'm like, I don't have a screw. Romy, it's okay. He's okay. It's okay.
These are washers for the table.
Okay.
They did send extras of those, which is weird.
You did it. I have valet garbage picked up here, which is great. So I can just sit these boxes outside and Ron will pick them up tonight. That's cool. You gotta show me how to pay.
Alright,
You said 70, right? And then,
70's fine.
and then if I tip you, so 80's good?
That's
Or is it
fine.
tipping? Are you sure?
Yeah, that's cool.
No, it's a long way out here.
Tips are extra.
So
And
make
shit,
sure.
these days everything extra is
I mean,
greatly
you said
appreciated.
70, but I wanted you to make sure that it wasn't more work than what you thought for 70. You know what I'm saying?
I've been here for less than 20 minutes, so
Oh, okay.
I'd be a crook to charge you more than 70 for
Now you
real.
gotta tell me how to pay.
Just go to my phone number. Actually, go to my text message thread. Right. Okay. Then go to the plus sign. And then Apple Cash.
Shit, me, really?
Yep. They make it simple. And then click on the number. It'll pop up the keypad. There you go. Send.
Are you shitting me?
It's that easy. And actually, I have an app on my phone called Gem.
So this is just Apple. It'll just come on my bank account. It's set up through my Apple Pay.
Straight out of your debit card or
So I
whatever.
just hit send now?
Mhm.
That's crazy.
Oh, so you probably never used it before.
No,
Continue.
really not. So how long is it good?
But I have an app on my phone called Gem, and you can just
That's
tap
the
to pay.
green?
Yep.
So Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you.
No, that's all good.
It's called what?
Jim. Like if you know anybody that owns a small business,
Uh-huh.
as long as you know how debit cards now, you can tap them at the terminal.
Yeah.
It'll make your phone a terminal essentially.
That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so hit done, right?
Mm-hmm. Also, I guess it was just like approving you to use it.
Do I hit send
Yeah,
again?
hit send.
If you get $160, you gotta send it back.
No, I got you.
I don't have that much. That's cool.
Now look, watch.
Mommy.
It's funny how it takes longer when you're standing right next to somebody than it does if not.
Hopefully it'll work.
No, it's gonna work. It may not send me the notification if the camera's on.
Oh, okay.